Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get dark mode on Google Sheets. So first open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for Google Sheets dark mode and select the extension. After that, click Add to Chrome and install it. In my opinion, this extension gives one of the best dark mode experience for Google Sheets. Then a new tab may open, you can simply close it. After that, open Google Sheets and open any spreadsheet. So once your sheet has finished loading, click Extension, then select Google Sheets Dark Mode. After that, your Google Sheet will instantly switch to dark mode. And that's it, it's quick and easy. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.